I just want a Remington. I don't even need an iPhone. It's hard. You make it look so easy.
So, how about you guys tell me what's for dinner tonight, Chris?
I'm making a chicken sausage shrimp gumbo. 5.5 months ago is when I met you, and then I knew that you were something special. And then your mom ended up asking if we'd end up mentoring you, which was an absolute pleasure. We've enjoyed every single minute of this. Something that you don't know is that we've been working together, trying to come up with something that's going to help you enjoy this whole scenario. The bad news is that gun that we ended up having you use this weekend, I've got to end up giving it back to the rightful owner today. So that's the bad part. Where's Aiden? I'm not sure where he's at. But either way, everything's been great. We absolutely enjoy this with you, just like family. No other opinions that we have, that you're picking up everything perfectly. You always exercise integrity and everything else. So I hope that you're willing to accept this. Your mom has some stipulations, but you are the rightful owner.
Thank you.
Thank your mom. She was the one that.
Mom.
So do you remember when I told you to save some of your tax money because there'd be something bigger that you want?
Yeah.
So there's $100 that you're gonna pull out of your bank account to give him to help pay for this.
Okay.
And then he's also generously offered to let you earn off the rest of it, work off the rest of it.
I'm gonna have you work 20 hours,
Okay.
and it's not gonna be busy work. It's gonna be stuff that hopefully you can learn and use, so someday when you have your own house, you'll know how to work on that stuff. If you work that 20 hours, I call it even. Lacey and I and everybody else is also giving you basically the other half is the way that I'm looking at it. Is I agree 100% with your mom that you need to learn how to earn it. You need to know exactly what it is and respect it. We also wanted to give you part of it too because we look at you just like family and enjoy everything. So
Thank you.
it's all you.
But it's gonna stay with them so that your
Okay.
brothers don't mess around
Right.
with it.
Mhm.
And you can still forget about the iPhone.